Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. So for the month of July, every month I always do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. And for the month of July, it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I do also have a giveaway going on in honor of our 100th video that went up, and a separate giveaway going on in honor of our 200th subscriber. I will put links for all of those that take you to the videos on how to enter those in the description box down below. Also, I'm going to have another giveaway coming up shortly that is in honor of our 100th follower over on YouTube, and my handle on YouTube is beautyamab, so that's BEAUTYAMA and the letter B. If you are new to Allure, it's $15 a month, and there's about 5 deluxe size samples in there. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size. This time they have partnered with Huda Beauty. Cannot wait. I just got in an Ipsy one, the Huda Beauty highlighter, which I love. Can't wait to find out what's I got in here. Ooh, it has a little saying in the box. It says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katana of Huda Beauty. She is so pretty. She's a beauty influencer who started her own beauty company. And in here it talks about the different products in here. Oh, and how cool. Look how they did the bottom of the box. She's so gorgeous. Ooh, I see a full-size Huda Beauty product right out of the bag. It doesn't even fit inside the box itself. This is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. And a little, they just say, finally, I've been dying to tell you all about the stunning orange red lip color that we created with Huda Beauty for the July Beauty Box. As in, you can only get this tube of Bright Matte Summer Perfection right here, so it's exclusive to them. They made a collage of their favorite runway lip trends, and then we passed the baton to Catan. She took our color inspiration to her cracked product team and soon shipped her favorite orange red options to our office. The rest was easy. It took us all about half a second to identify the shade most flattering, eye-catching as this orange red. Catan is very good at her job. People of different skin tones, and just like that, Alluring was born. So that's kind of cool that's exclusive to them. Here's what it looks like. It's a really pretty orange red. I can't do oranges. I look like I'm dead at them. So everybody else's skin tone it's probably great for. Can't do it on mine. So I will be putting one of these in. You know, I talked about that upcoming giveaway. I'm also starting to set stuff aside in honor of our 300th subscriber. So be on the lookout for that and help us get to 300. This would retail for $20. So right there, you've already paid for the price of your box. There's also a coupon in here for 25% off the at Shop Huda Beauty. So that's great. I've been wanting to try one of these. So this is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Full size of this just retail for $22. And the reason that folks are so obsessed with this pencil eyeliner, the formula is creamy, so there's no skipping or tugging, and it leaves behind a fully pigmented line that is easy to blend, run your pinky, or a dense shadow brush on top of it. Plus, the color stays put all day. Here's what it kind of looks like. Let's just put a little bit of, ooh, super easy, no tugging whatsoever. Love, love, love it. We'll give that a second to dry, and then I'll kind of rub it once we're done here. We still have 2 more products. Well, actually, there's a couple more products, but 2 of which are Huda Beauty ones. Here's their classic lash in These false lashes are one of Katan's all-time best sellers, and it's easy to see why. They look dramatic in the box, but when you put them on, they're wispy and pretty. They look more like fresh lash extensions than a crazy fan of false lashes. So price on these are $20. Guys, these are gorgeous. I don't wear a ton of false lashes, but I might have to try these out. Also by Huda Beauty is the Kayalivanilla 28 perfume sample. Full size of this for 50 milliliters is $65, or you can get 100 milliliters for $118. I really like that, you guys. It is just, reminds me of just wrapping up in like a cashmere sweater. It's got the vanilla and kind of a woodsy smell to it. It says Katan and her sister Mona launched Kylie fragrances together, and the line's velvety vanilla scent is one of the very decadent perfumes. It's like cake batter for the most luxurious wedding cake you've ever seen or smelled. But the blend of tonka and brown sugar is also balanced by amber, vanilla, and orchards, and a musk that gives it just enough of an edge. The scent radiates a vibe that is equal parts sexy and strong, like come hither. I really like it. And I understand why they put it in this box because it's all about Huda Beauty. But to me, this more reminds me of like an October, November type of scent to it. And so that I'll probably save it until then. By Ouai is a texturizing hairspray. Full size of this retails for $26. And Jen Atkin, the hairstylist behind Ouai, is a matter of full sultry waves. So it makes perfect sense that her texturizing spray would be the best of its kind. A lot of other attempts to create the beachy blends, but leaves people's hairs crunchy. This formula gives a pretty soft volume all over. A few mists from the roots to the ends emphasize and defined hair's natural wave, so it looks like, you know, you actually spent time styling on it. So this would be kind of cool. I've tried this before, really do like it. Ooh, by Tonymoly is also the Intense Care Snail Hydrogel Mask. It does retail for $10. I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. This slimy stuff is actually shockingly feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating and plumps my skin immediately. Plus, there's a real benefit to snail mucin, a popular K-beauty skincare ingredient. It's a complex mix of peptides, antioxidants, glycosamine, clines, hyaluronic acid, love that, zinc, copper, iron, and magnesium. They calm inflammation and promote collagen production over time. That means the sheet mask does everything a good mask should do. It makes skin radiant quickly and then some. If you don't know, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, so be on the lookout for this one. I thought that it was a pretty good box. The lashes, I don't know if I'll wear or not. We'll just kind of see. I'm not big on false lashes, so I might pass this one on in one of those giveaways. I'm definitely going to be passing this one on just because I can't do the orange. I did like the smell of this, just wish it was in November. Super excited for the Urban Decay pencil, and I'm excited to try this Snail one out. So you could have gotten, if you didn't get this, you could have also gotten the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which I already have, so I'm glad I got this. Or the Benefit Brow Cream Gel Brow Color. I've already got that one too, so I'm excited that this was the one that I got. Did you guys get different stuff in your boxes? If you do get this, let me know. What were your favorite products? Let me know that too. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.